You can reach more fulfillment centers with every shipment, increase delivery speed, and boost sales by using Amazon's recommended packing. Our network processes your inventory through routing centers to 100+ fulfillment centers. Packing your shipments in more boxes with fewer units per box makes it easier for us to distribute them to the right place the first time faster. This means you get higher sales, better in-stock rates, and may even qualify for discounts. Shipments with fewer boxes need to be opened and redistributed to reach the same distribution. Use recommended packing for your preferred shipping option. Send to one location or minimal shipment splits. When you send to one location, your products go to a national routing center, which then spreads them to 5 regional routing centers. Pack at least 5 single SKU boxes per item to reach the 5 regions without additional processing. Send to multiple locations or optimized shipment splits. When you send to multiple locations, your inventory goes direct to multiple regional routing centers, which then spreads your products to up to 100+ fulfillment centers. For fast-moving products, pack 25 units or less per box, and your products can reach many more fulfillment centers with each shipment. Boxes with a higher number of units or multi-SKU boxes need to be opened and distributed to reach the right destination. We continually apply advanced AI and insights from processing billions of shipments each year. Find these packing recommendations directly in Seller Central so you can improve delivery speeds and lower your costs with each shipment. Grow your business with Amazon.